Hi guys, I know that the forecast is calling for rain and cold and snow, all those things, but hmm, right now the weather's pretty good. Uh, we did have a little light rain on and off, just light rain, just on and off, and uh, I don't know if you can see it in the sky, but the sun will come out, a cloud will cover it, and the sun will come back out. So it's just the sun is in and out. And it's a little breezy. Let's see if I can show you the breeze in the trees. Well, I don't know how well I'm doing that. Well, I can't really show that. But there's a breeze in the trees, but it's not really cold. Uh, I got on a sweater, this sweater and that sweater, and that's it. So the temperature is nice. And like I said, it's a little light rain every now and then. But guys, since we're having this little light rain, I thought this would be the perfect time for me to come out and um, do something that I've been putting off. So I have this. Let me show it to you. Let me show you my okay guys, here they are. I potted them up. As I said, I had two. This one, you can see it had green. It was looking green. It was looking better than the other one. And this is the one that gave me the few berries last summer. But this one didn't give me any berries, and it's still kind of looking a little sickly. So I'm hoping by taking them out the ground and putting them in the pot. And I did use some of the soil from around my other blueberries, my blueberries that bear well. I used some of that soil. So I'm hoping that would help these to grow. As I said, this is coming up to the third summer that I've had these. And I think that they should be a little larger than this. And I think I should be getting decent berries by now. So by this summer I should be getting decent berries. So I'm going to keep my eye on them and see what they'll do. And hopefully I will be getting some pink lemonade blueberries this summer. Okay guys. Okay, oh guys, see how the sun has come out? See how the sun has come out? Woo. See how pretty the sun has come out? It's off and on. It's off and on. It's off and on, but it's beautiful. It's breezy, but it's beautiful. Okay.